Hi everyone, Harris here with iDownloadBlog. So I've gotten a lot of comments, and a lot more than I expected to get, about the new iPad Pro in my videos that I've done about it, asking about the bending, or people asking if it has bend or concerns that it will bend, and just a lot of concerns addressed and raised in the comment sections of my videos. So I want to make a video talking about my experience with the iPad Pro, how I've been using it, and if that has led to any bending, and to just cut right to the point. No, this is still completely, totally flat. You can see the shot of this, there's no wobble at all. It's 100% flat. I throw this in my backpack every single day. It's with other textbooks and lots of other things, and it's not bending. And I think this is definitely overhyped. I definitely don't think this is as big as an issue as people think. There are a couple of bad iPads that have been shipped out, but those get reported, and like MKBHD made a video about, that gets spread a lot, even if it's just a very, very, very tiny percentage of all iPads that get shipped. I've been using this every single day since I've got it. It goes in my backpack almost every single day, and no issues at all. Of course, if I were to bend this and put all my force on it, I could bend it, or if you sit on it, or you do something stupid with it, you're probably going to bend it. But this is still pretty sturdy. It's made out of aluminum. It's good material. It's just, yes, a very thin design, but that's what's amazing about this iPad. So yes, bending could happen with this iPad, but mine certainly has not. I've been using it every single day. And it's likely that it won't happen to most people's iPad Pros either. So I guess there really isn't too much more to say. Again, bend tests, I think that they have their entertainment purposes on the internet, but they don't exactly help anybody because they invoke fear that probably isn't likely. Because realistically, pretty much anything can bend with enough force. So of course, an iPad is going to be able to bend with some sort of force. So if you get a really muscular guy and a thin iPad, it's going to bend, but that doesn't mean you have to worry about it. Some iPads have been shipped bent out of the box. That's not good on Apple at all, and hopefully those instances, they are getting totally refunded and fixed with brand new iPads. I can't imagine Apple would ever let somebody have a bent iPad and let them live with that without offering them a refund. That's just not how Apple works. So if you're concerned about the iPad bending, I'm just here to say that mine is totally fine, and I'm sure if you guys leave comments down below, you can say whether yours is bent or whether yours is fine, and I'm sure the overwhelming majority will be fine. If this ever does bend, if I have any issues with it in my backpack, of course I will make an update video right away, but for the time being, my only big issue with this is just those awful fingerprints. This is like 5 seconds worth of fingerprints, but no bending. So if you've heard of anybody personally with a bent iPad, leave that in a comment below, but if your iPad is doing fine, also leave that down in the comment below. We're interested to see how everybody's iPad is holding up. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope you got something out of it. Make sure to leave your experience down in the comments below. Thanks for watching.